Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another wonderful video. If you want to see how I made this delicious packed lunch for my daughter, keep watching. What you need for this recipe is a bowl and a spoon. And then next, I'm going to be adding my mixed vegetables into the bowl. On this mixed vegetable, I added sweet pepper. You know, the red pepper, green pepper, and yellow pepper, just to make up the vegetable I needed for this recipe. So I'm going to add them in a bowl. My last baby started nursery recently. So I started making lunch for her because the amount they asked me to pay each day for her lunch, I couldn't pay it. I said I'll be making lunch for her because this country, you need to learn how to save money or else you could spend money tire. Next, I'm adding mackerel fish. You can use whichever fish of your choice. Just match it up together. And then I'm going to be adding eggs. This is 4 eggs. You can add more eggs if you want. So I add the egg into the mixture. Next, I'm going to be adding salt, pepper, MAGGI, just to give it a little bit taste. And then I'm going to be adding crayfish. Because I'm teaching my kids how to eat vegetable, I try to make the vegetable to taste very yummy. So I added crayfish on it just to give it a little bit taste with the fish. Next, I'm going to mix it up together nicely. If you don't learn how to save in this country, Omo, at the end of the month, you realize that your salary don't finish for direct debit. The school asked me to pay, I think, £6 a day for one pikin lunch. Pikin when they eat plenty food, I still feed her. Like I said no, that I'm going to be making my own lunch for her. So I know in the school they encourage healthy eating. Guys, I'm adding more eggs because I feel like the egg I added is not enough. So I added more eggs on it. So you know in school they encourage healthy eating. And this is one of the ways I encourage my children to eat vegetables. So my kids don't like eating vegetable. So this is one of the ways I teach them how to eat vegetable, and they are enjoying it. Once I'm done mixing it up, I'll keep it aside, and then I'm going to bring in my baking tray out. On this baking tray, I have donut shape and cupcake shape. So this recipe is called pretend donut and pretend cupcake. So this is how we pretend that we are eating donut or we are eating cupcake, but whereas we are eating vegetable. So guys, as you can see, I'm putting the vegetable into the shape. I'm going to fill it up nicely. Let me know if you're going to be trying this recipe at home. So guys, once I'm done filling this cupcake shape and donut shape, next I'm going to be putting it in the oven. If you tell them you are eating vegetable, they are not going to eat the vegetable. So I use this to just to entice them to eat their vegetable. So after I'm done filling it, this is how it looks. It looks so beautiful, so colorful. I really love it. Next, I'm going to be putting it in the oven. I baked it for 5 minutes in the oven, but the oven was already heated. Guys, when I brought it out, this is how it looks. It looks so yummy. It looks amazing. Look at the color. I so much love the color, and this is what my kids love the most. The shape of the vegetable. It just looks like donut. So that is why we call it pretend donut and pretend cupcake. Look at it, guys. The kids really love it. I think this is their best way of eating vegetable. Even the cupcake as well, they love the lines that come out at the back of the vegetable. They love it so much. My son will say, I'm eating cupcake. Mommy, I want cupcake. So guys, once I'm done, I'm just going to start packing her lunch. When I was trying to pack her lunch, she just came out from shower and she was like, Mommy, I want 2 donuts and 1 cupcake. I said, bring the plate, let me put it for you. She was so excited with this meal. So guys, try this recipe with your kids. If they are finding it hard to eat vegetable, try it. They are going to love it. All right, see you on my next one. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to stop here for today and continue the next day. See you guys on my next one. Bye.